Now that is an intro. So you want to learn to take those same kind of photos? Well, learn from me in this course. You will. So in this course, I will take you step by step to teach you the basics of photographing the night sky. Now, the course will teach camera settings and software necessary for a successful shoot. And at one point, I will be taking you out in the field with me, as you can watch me and follow along while I show you step by step on how I take these photos. In the end, I will take you through the steps of the techniques I use when I process these photos in Photoshop and Lightroom. There are minimum requirements for doing this class, but that's just basic understanding of photography. But if you understand basic composition, f-stops, exposures, and ISO or ISO ratings, and if you have a camera that's capable of adjusting them, you should be able to do this class without any problem. Like I said, you don't need a high-end professional camera to do these. A basic consumer-grade camera with a kit lens will actually work. So don't worry, don't think that you have to be an expert in anything or have professional grade camera equipment. That's not the case. The most important part though is being out and under the stars. Enjoy!